Hey, what's going on, everybody? Floyd Jones here from Pensacola, Florida, and I just love being part of the 12-Minute Affiliate family. Reason why I love being part of it so much, we're a bunch of like-minded people coming together with one common goal: to get rich.
Howdy, folks. Jay here. Just wanted to talk to you about the 12-Minute Affiliate System. I'm currently a member, and I could not be happier about being a member of this program.
About the 12-Minute Affiliate Program. I started the program about a week and a half ago. I set the program up myself. I did everything. There was a checklist. I went through the checklist. It took me less than an hour to set everything up. And about 2 days later, I started seeing results.
Good morning. My name is Lino Curci, and I'm in Italy, from Italy. This is a very, I don't know, it's a very powerful system.
John Martin's here from Toronto, Canada, with a shout out to Devon Brown and 12-Minute Affiliate System.
The 12-Minute Affiliate System is super easy to use, and the staff is really helpful.
And so what you have with the 12 Minutes Affiliate Program is a system you can just switch on and you get going. Everything, including traffic, is done for you. I did my setup myself, was very easy to set up, and within the first 1 week I have generated 7 sales from it. You know why? Because it's a no-brainer.
When it comes to starting an internet business, there's nothing easier than the 12-Minute Affiliate System.
Now, I've been in affiliate marketing now for about 2 years, and to be frank, I've kind of struggled. I've struggled with which stuff to pick to promote, how to do it, and what are the steps. And man, this 12-Minute Affiliate Program just makes it so darn easy. Once I joined, I did the setup all myself. I did it in literally like an hour, hour and a half. And I did it in a place where the internet connection was just simply not that great.
I did not do the setup. I had Devon and his team do the setup for me, and within a few days I started seeing results. If you want, you can have you can also get your traffic, and also an email sequence can be set up for you, so even a newbie can do it. So basically, like I said, it's a business in a box. Everything is in there.
What I really love is the simplicity of this program, man. It's easy step-by-step instructions that you can follow. I had this thing, I bought it this morning, and I had it up and running within 2 hours of me purchasing the program. I had a full website, a full web system, a full web funnel with products in place, with email follow-ups, already built and done for me within a couple of hours. Never been able to do that before with any other program I've purchased, and trust me, I've purchased a few of them. The simplicity of it is just unmatched. And on top of that, man, the customer support. Right after I purchased it, within 15 to 20 minutes, I got a phone call from Lisa at headquarters down in Atlanta, making sure that everything was going okay with me and if I needed any assistance. That meant the world to me, because, you know, some of these companies, man, they get your money and that's it. You're a done deal. They don't care nothing about supporting you. But Devon and his crew at 12-Minute Affiliate are totally different.
If you're a newbie to internet marketing at all, I don't know exactly what to do, this is a program to be a part of.
This is the business for you.
And I'm seeing results, which is something you can do too. You can see results in this program. All you have to do is sign up. Just get going with the program.
All I can say is make the move, take the plunge, get started building this business for your success and peace of mind.
I think you should give it a shot.
A big ciao from Lino Curci and Italy. Ciao, guys.
Once again, it's your man Floyd from Pensacola, Florida, saying God loves you, so do I. Peace.